Hello guys, welcome to the fifth session of Blazor tutorials for beginners. In the previous session, we have created the client-side app. In this session, we will create a server-side Blazor app and we will understand its structure. Create a new project of type ASP.NET Core Web Application. Give a name and location for the project. Now click on Create and select server-side. Let's run this project and see UI. It has the same example as client-side. In the counter page, by clicking this button, we can increment the value of counter. Fetch data will display a table of data. Let's open the developers tool to see the difference. Open network tab and refresh the page. Like client side, it will load Bootstrap, style, fonts and icons. Here it has loaded blazor.server.js instead blazor.webassembly.js. And it does not load any JSON or DLL files. Instead, it sends a request to this WebSocket. This endpoint is created for SignalR operations. As said previously, every pre-processing is done on server side, so it will use SignalR for send or receive data. Click on Message tab. Here are binary messages that have been sent or received. Now let's open counter page and clear all the messages. Click on this button. Here, new requests are sent. It contains all the details required by event handlers such as mouse positions, the control key is pressed or not, etc. If you open the source tab, then there are no DLL files or JSON files. Now let's switch on Visual Studio and understand the code. Stop the project. Open program.cs file. It's quite similar to normal ASP.NET Core project. Open startup.cs file. This file contains configurations. It values retrieved from appsettings.json file. In configure services, support for Razor page and server-side Blazor added, and along with these, added dependencies for weather forecast service. In configure, handle exceptions, enable static file access, enable routing. It's enable endpoints for Blazor and set fallback to host the page. App.razor file has just one change. Server-side Blazor supports authentication, so it has added. Import file has no difference from client side. The shared directory contains the main layout and navbar. Those Razor pages are also the same. It also contains the host.cs HTML file. This file is set as a fallback in the startup. This file is similar to index.html in client side. Here we have specified that we need to render Blazor component of type app. The data directory contains models and service that used as a dependency injection. www root contains static resources. So, let's see what we have learned in this session. For creating a server-side app, we need to create a new project for ASP.NET Core Web Application and select Blazor server-side app. In the next session, we will create the hosted app and understand its structure. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.